Tired of expensive international money transfers? Let's dive into a quick guide on how to use Worldremit, the app that helps you send money globally, fast. First, head over to the Worldremit website or download their app from your app store. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by clicking on the registration button, then fill in your details like your name, email address, and create a secure password. Provide all the necessary information on the form. You'll be asked to verify your identity, which is typically required for any money transfer service. This usually involves uploading a photo ID. Follow the instructions. Once your account is set up, you're ready to send money. Select your recipient, then choose the country you're sending money to, and also the amount you wish to send. Next, specify how your recipient will receive the money. Options often include a bank transfer, cash pickup, mobile money, or airtime top-up, depending on the country. Now, it's time to pay. Choose your preferred payment method, such as a bank transfer, or using a credit or debit card. Worldremit will then show you the fees and the exchange rate. Make sure you understand them before you confirm the transfer. Review the transaction details. Double-check the recipient's information, the amount, and payment method. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer. Finally, you'll receive a confirmation once the money is on its way. You can also track your transfer status on the app, and that's it. Now you know how to send money with Worldremit.